Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a little bit of a different video. I'm going to be doing TikTok trends of 2020. These are just a few basic simple hairstyles that I saw on TikTok last year that I thought was very cute, and I'd like to share it with you guys to show you guys how to create these looks. So if you want to see how I created some of these quick 5-minute easy hairstyles, then keep watching. The first hairstyle that I'm going to try today is the bubble braids. I saw this on an account on TikTok called Lauren1 with a double A. So I will insert her video here so you can see as well.
Second are bubble braids. Put your hair in a ponytail and tie an elastic about 2 inches down. Pull out your hair to puff it up, then repeat. I love this.
It does seem pretty simple. Maybe you need quite medium to long hair. It wouldn't obviously work on short hair unless you had extensions, but medium to long hair, and then you are just tying elastics about 1 inch down from each other. So let's try it. I've got my elastic bands here, which I think I got from Primark actually quite a while ago, but they're good to have. So I'm just going to put them on my stool here. I think it was quite a low ponytail, so I'm just going to have another look. Yeah, I don't really think it matters. It obviously depends on where you want to wear your hair. And then secure it with an elastic band. So I've just done 2 ties, so tied it once and tied it again, just so it is a little bit tight, but it's not too tight. I think you just go 1/2 inch down from the ponytail, so about here. And then what I'm doing is I am just pulling the bubble out just to make it a little bit thicker and give it a bit of character. And then I'm going to do another one. And then just pull it out. So I have seen some hairstyles where they just do like 2 or 3 and then they leave all the ends out, which does look quite cute, but I am going to go all the way down just to see what it looks like. And then can I squeeze another one in here? Yeah, we'll do a baby one. You're not necessarily flattening it like a pancake, you're taking it from each direction. Do you know what? I've seen people wear these and I thought, I'm not really sure, but I do actually really like it, and it literally took me about 2 minutes. Literally 2 minutes. I'm not even joking. I've got no product in my hair. You could hairspray this down, you could gel it down, you could even wear it out, I guess. Like this, just a little bit more effortless. You could even curl it if you really wanted to, but overall I do really like that. It's different, I like it. So the next one that I'm going to try is the baby braids, which I've seen a lot more of recently, so maybe the end of 2020 to the start of 2021, and this is from the same account, so Lauren1 again, because she did a video called 2 fall hair trends and it was the bubble braids and the baby braids. I am going to follow her baby braids video as well and see how that turns out.
To try. First are baby braids. These are so cute and so easy to do. Section off 2 sections, braid it, and tie it with an elastic. Fun!
I have seen people do these as well, where they don't tie them at the end and they just let them fall loose. She has tied it, so I don't know. I might do one tied and one not and then see how it looks and see how it feels on me. So my hair is it's just washed, it's not straightened, it's not being curled. I've not really done anything with it, and I think that's the aim with these hairstyles, like it's just a bit of an effortless look. I am just going to take my parting a little bit cleaner than it is. What I'm going to do is take a front section about an inch. In fact, no, I'm not going to do an inch. I'm going to do like half an inch, because they are called baby braids, so I think that will be enough. And then I'm just going to mimic it on the same side. And then with all the hair that I'm not using, I'm just going to tuck it behind my ears. So I think the aim with these braids is to do them quite tight so they don't drop, especially if you aren't tying them at the end. Do you know what, I do feel like braids are really old school, but they are coming back, like actual basic braids, not French plaits, not Dutch plaits, like basic loose braids like this, and I do quite like it. So she tied hers at the end, so with this one I'm going to tie it. These elastics are quite big, so I'm literally doing about 100 knots. Now, it is quite rigid, so I think she just left hers, but I am just gonna like pull it a little bit so it's a little bit more free flowing. There, that feels a little bit better. It's a little bit looser. And then on this side I'm gonna do the same again, but I'm not gonna tie it with an elastic band. So I did see another video like this, and she didn't secure it with an elastic, but she did say you have to go all the way to the end. That is key, because obviously it will unravel. So I am just trying to go to the end, and then I'm just going to rub it just to give it a bit of friction. So that's with an elastic, that's without. I think I do prefer it without an elastic, but I'd have to wear it all day to see how fast it would drop. One of the videos I did see on TikTok where she didn't do it with an elastic, she did say to go right to the end, and it stays all day, especially if you do it really tight, because it does loosen up over time but it doesn't necessarily drop. Whereas this one with the elastic, obviously it will last all day. Yeah, I do like this hairstyle overall, like this literally takes 30 seconds. But I don't know whether I would have this one or this one. So if you try it, let me know which one you think lasts better. Like obviously this one will last better, but this one does feel quite tight from the root, whereas this one does feel a little bit more looser. It's a little bit more free flowing. I kind of like the way that it just sort of camouflages and disappears into your hair naturally. However, from the viewfinder, this one does look quite nice because it does stick out a little bit. So yeah, I don't know, I'm not sure, but overall it's a good 30-second look, especially if you are running late and you want to look like you had your hair done. And like I say, braids are coming back. They are the new in thing at the minute. I think if you had them face framing money pieces where people have it really blonde here or a different colour, I think that would look really cool. So another TikTok trend I have been seeing quite a lot, this is probably one that I do see more of, is the side ponytail. Now I think it did come from a celebrity inspo look. A lot of girls are doing it on Instagram and TikTok at the minute. I am just going to look at a quick TikTok tutorial and I will insert it whilst I watch it, and then we will recreate.
Was poppin'. Don't mind me just watching. Heard your verse, let me top it. Pick a flow, any flow, I mop it. I ball trying to make high profits. I ball, that's no eye socket. I saw what I wanted, I copped it. Lights all let the shit get toxic. I thought that I should switch topics. I lost the train of my conscience. iPhone is in my right pocket. Try calling in, I might block it. Cause I gotta hustle. Stacking my chips like I'm bagging at Ruffles. Niggas is married, we not just a couple. No, I got a family, we not finna struggle. What I be doing, I do for the missus. I finish the song and I'm back on my business. It's 3 in the morning, I'm building my hit list. I'm up until dawn like I'm doing the dishes. Hold up, wait.
So she parted it to the side. And then everything from the front she brought forward. And then she tied the rest up. I mean, I think the aim for this hairstyle is for it to be quite sleek. However, I do have hair extensions in, so getting it sleek isn't really doable for me. So it's quite a high ponytail, and I have just used a scrunchie to secure it. Let's spray it down to the side. So I have hairspray here and a comb here. I think she's using an eyebrow spoolie, but we're just gonna go with a comb. My parting is not made for this. So that's sprayed down now. I don't really think my parting's made for this because I do have a bit of a core flick here, so it is separating here, but we move. I'm just going to get a few bobby pins to secure the side fringe. I know she did that wrapping thing where you hide the bobble, but I think it looks quite cute with a scrunchie, and let's just take a moment to appreciate that scrunchies are back in now, so you can mix and match it with that. But if you did want to hide the bobble, then what I normally do is take a piece of hair from underneath, about 1 centimetre thick, and then wrap it. Obviously it won't cover mine because it's a scrunchie, but you wrap it around, and then with the end you just secure it underneath with another bobby pin and it will disappear. I mean, it's different. I don't really wear side fringes much, especially if my hair is up. I normally go for the middle sleek ponytail. However, it's nice to have a little change every once in a while. So I do like this hairstyle also. Again, quick, easy, but I don't know whether for me I would just wear it in the middle, just because this annoys me where it parts here. So if you liked this video, then please give it a thumbs up, please subscribe if you want to see some more, and please give it a like and share. And if you have any other suggestions, then please leave them in the comments below.